Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is lesson 34. To be offended. Komona mabe. Na komona yango mabe te. I will not be offended. Okomona yango mabe te. You will not be offended. Akomona yango mabe te. He or she will not be offended. Tokomona yango mabe te. We will not be offended. Bokomona yango mabe te. You will not be offended. Bakomona yango mabe te. They will not be offended. The second part of this lesson is some very short phrases. Po na nini? Why? Po na nini? Why? Oyo ya wapi? Which one? Oyo ya wapi? Which one? Olobi? What did you say? Olobi? What did you say? Olobaki nini? What did you say? Olobaki nini? What did you say? Thank you so much for watching. The next lesson will be uploaded on the 16th of December. Please subscribe.